I I thought of sharing an important thing which I learned because knowledge carry forward. What is this knowledge carry forward in this life? Purposes to learn. This is the two things. Even if you're not able to attain this, but when you're able to learn something, that can be carry forward to the next birth, where it has been said. It has been said in Tirukkural. So once you learn something, it can be carried forward to next seven birth. So that knowledge can be utilized for improvement in that knowledge, in that birth. So every day, take some time to learn. Don't stop. Learn continuously. One day I heard this in an interview, where that interviewer was saying that uh, he was able to interview with one of the richest man in the India, who is Mukesh Ambani. And while on the interview, he able to ask a question. The question is, how many pages do you read a day? What is your answer? What do you expect? He is a richest man. He would be able to report many reports, and he will be able to see magazines. Yeah, and many board reports need to reports and financial statements. You need to understand balance sheet. Need to see profit and loss account. You need to see. But these are things you haven't seen. But the answer was totally amusing by the interviewer. He reached a minimum of 400 to 600 pages per day. Minimum 400, 600 pages per day. So if he is able to read, why not us? So I come to a conclusion and I'm taking one promise. It is a promise. I will read 400 pages per day. I will read actually. And what I will do, I will post that in YouTube. It's a promise. I'm making this promise to everyone who are watching this video. I'm making the promise I will read 400 pages, minimum of 400 pages every day from today. And in my channel, you can see how much pages I have read. I will post it, and I will try to complete the 400 pages every day. So, how much time it will take? It will take per page it will take 2.3 minutes to read for a slow learner. So, 400 pages you take 2.400 into 2.3. So, 20 minutes it will take 60 minutes a hour. So, 1, 3, 2, 12 hours it will take to read 400 pages for me right now in situation. I will improve it. So 12 hours I going to read, and till now I have read 38 pages. So I have 300 and 362 pages remaining there to complete this. I will try to read. So learning is the greatest thing and greatest opportunity for us to in this life, and we will learn, and we will become excellent in learning. May God bless us. May God bless me and yourself. Thank you.